When camping or enjoying an outdoor lifestyle, a portable outdoor chair is an essential item. Maximize your outdoor activities with easy setup and 360-degree rotation. Introducing a new, premium outdoor chair for you, Talon Swivel Chair. Talon Swivel Chair fully rotates in 360 degrees with a simple, easy installation method, water-repellent nylon material, and comfortable cushion, combined with air-permeable mesh material. Talon Swivel Chair will get you ready for all kinds of outdoor activities. And when we say easy installation, it's really that easy. Grab 2 leg frames on both sides and spread them apart at opposite ends. Pull up the handle of the upper frame, and finally, pull the handle of the lower frame below and zip up the backrest to complete. Let's get to know Talon Swivel Chair a little bit better. This chair is highly portable thanks to its compact and lightweight design, but also ergonomically structured with high-functional nylon, mesh, and Talon cushions. We've applied a longer frame and wider seat to enhance balance and stability. Our all-in-one Bigfoot design helps to stay grounded and supported, allowing you to relax on any terrain without worrying about the risk of falling. Talon Swivel Chair comes in 2 options, standard and long type. Long type offers another level of comfort with a long and wide seat. With a pillow embedded into the headrest, you'll instantly be put into relaxation mode. Standard type, on the other hand, focuses on light, portable, and convenient use. Freely make your choice according to your needs. Available in 3 colors: Noir, Polo Blue, and Safari. Talon Swivel Chair allows you to store belongings inside organizers so you can enjoy your outdoor activities hands-free. Improve the quality of your camping experience with Talon Swivel Chair when you're cooking at the campsites or grabbing something on the other side. Regular chairs require you to leave your seat every time or manually reposition the chair. With the 360-degree swivel technology of the Talon Swivel Chair, you can now remain seated and simply turn around in comfort. Do you have a passion for taking wildlife photographs or hunting? Animals, for example, run away at the slightest noise. Let Talon Swivel Chair be your reliable assistant. A sturdy, stable frame and smooth, noise-free rotation in full 360 degrees. Driven to create a practical, comfortable outdoor chair, we're confident the backers will see value and potential of our premium outdoor chair, but kindly support our campaign and open a new chapter for your outdoor activities. Talon Swivel Chair.
I'm so glad we're not actually going camping.
Did I hear someone say camping? Kids, we are going camping.
Where are we going?
Can we go?
Don't worry, we're taking the new Space Acacia. Honey, the Acacia has created the perfect tent system for the ultimate camping experience. It just pops. Push. And pump. And that's it. It's just that easy to assemble.
Is it strong enough for my kids? I mean, is this thing even durable? Oh my gosh, it feels so nice.
It's 300D Oxford cloth, strong enough for even the most rugged conditions. The airfloor is made of 4 layers of material: a base fabric, space yarn, a first coating, and a second coating, to make it 100% weatherproof and durable for any condition. There's plenty of space inside, and the patented airfloor can withstand up to 4,000 pounds of pressure. With the Rain Fly and Rain Cape, you'll be protected from winds up to 40 miles per hour and rain. Some crazy sideways rain too, with its PU 2000 rating. The Space Acacia's unique tent system keeps the inside temperature warm and stable in cold weather, so you won't freeze your butt off, as long as you stay inside of it. And baby, the canopy is made of thermal insulation fabric. It adds more shadow area and sun protection of UPF 50+. It also allows great ventilation when you have the window vents open, and keeps you warm when it gets cold.
Oh, that one smelled bad, babe.
Luckily, the large mesh windows give plenty of air ventilation. Who's gonna turn off the light?
Me.
provides this huge space in an unbelievably lightweight package. With best-in-class weight reduction, it's the lightest rooftop tent on the market and maintains a compact size with next-generation space-saving design. Not only does this mean better handling and fuel economy, it makes AirCruiser the most versatile rooftop tent ever made. Installable on any vehicle in less than 5 minutes, from compact cars to SUVs, pickup trucks, and vans. And with more than 50 years of industry experience and innovation behind it, it has expression stitched into every scene. Enjoy the breathtaking beauty of nature like never before with AirCruiser. 6 windows and doors provide unobstructed vision, making it the perfect room with a view. Whether you're waking up to stunning scenery or stargazing through the skylights before bed, the AirCruiser's panoramic views are always as spectacular as nature itself. Time to turn in? Just close the blackout curtains and dim the fully integrated LED lighting. You'll drift off to sleep in no time on the built-in high-density mattress with a super soft peach skin thermal cover. It's the ultimate camping experience. But AirCruiser's not just about convenience and space. It's about adventure and exploration, the ability to follow the trail wherever it leads you. So it's built tough. Constructed to exacting ISO standards and tested from top to bottom over 4 years by the world-leading rooftop tent manufacturers, AirCruiser is a true 4-season tent. Temperature tested from -4 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Created by the collaboration of 2 visionary outdoor brands, Cinch and Wildland, AirCruiser is the first in the next generation of rooftop tents. A 4-season, self-assembling, technologically advanced, super lightweight rooftop tent that is ready to take you anywhere you want to go. Join us on Kickstarter to get exclusive access to this once-in-a-lifetime tent. Back AirCruiser now, and let's begin our adventure together.